Okay, you've got the click. Great. Now what? If your answer is, I don't really know, that's a problem. Because getting someone to click on your ad or link, it's just the beginning. What happens next is what actually turns a browser into a buyer. And most small business owners don't have the next part mapped out. They run a campaign, they drive traffic to their homepage, and they hope for the best. But that's where the problem is because there's no clear call to action, no form, no automation, no follow up. And that means one thing: they're paying for traffic that goes nowhere. Before you run ads or drive traffic, ask yourself, what exactly do I want people to do when they click? Is that path easy to follow? And do I have a system in place to track and follow up? I call this building backward. You start with the goal, whether that's booking, calling, or maybe signing up, and then build each step of the journey leading up to it. A simple landing page, a working form, a CRM that tags the lead, a follow-up that closes the loop. Doesn't have to be complicated, but it does have to be intentional because a click is not a conversion. It's a door opening, and your job is to have a room ready. Do you need help building your post-click plan? That's exactly what I walk through in a strategy session. And if you want help mapping out your journey step by step, just visit my website, KristinaStubblefield.com, and schedule a session today.